In the modern theater of operations, a new kind of warrior has emerged. They don't carry rifles on the front lines, yet their impact is felt for miles. They are the masters of the sky, the unseen eyes, the precision strikers, the elite Ukrainian drone operators. This is the story of how a small, remote-controlled aircraft becomes one of the most powerful tools in the Ukrainian defense. The journey to becoming a Ukrainian drone pilot is intense. It's not just about playing a video game. Candidates are selected for their sharp intellect, calm under pressure, and exceptional spatial awareness. They undergo rigorous training that pushes their cognitive abilities to the limit. They learn aerodynamics, meteorology, advanced electronics, and intricate software systems. Every operator must master not only flying the drone but also understanding its every sensor, camera, and capability. They practice for hundreds of hours in simulators, recreating every possible scenario they might face. From navigating through dense urban environments to tracking targets in harsh weather conditions, these simulations are designed to be as challenging as the real world. Only the best of the best make it through. Once they graduate, these operators are deployed to Ukrainian military units where their skills are put to the ultimate test. The Ukrainian command center might be miles away from the action, a secure location filled with screens and complex control panels. From here, Ukrainian drone operators have a god's eye view of the battlefield. This perspective is a game changer. For a long time, Ukrainian commanders relied on maps, scouts, and intermittent reports. Now, they have real-time, high-definition video feeds. This isn't just a picture, it's live intelligence. A Ukrainian drone operator can spot a hidden threat, track the movement of assets, and provide crucial information that saves lives. They become the ears and eyes for the Ukrainian military ground forces, guiding them through treacherous terrain and alerting them to dangers that lie ahead. The role of a Ukrainian drone operator is incredibly diverse. Some specialize in reconnaissance, piloting stealthy drones that can hover for hours, gathering intelligence without being detected. Their work is a patient, meticulous process of observation. They scan vast areas, identify patterns, and piece together the puzzle of what's happening on the ground. This information is vital for planning operations and ensuring the safety of personnel. A single piece of intelligence from a drone can alter the course of an entire mission, preventing ambushes and identifying opportunities. It's a high-stakes job where every detail matters. Then there are the combat drone operators. They fly larger, more powerful unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, armed with precision munitions. Ukrainian drone operators are not just pilots. They are marksmen of the sky. Their job requires an extraordinary level of focus and a deep sense of responsibility. The decision to engage a target is never taken lightly. It involves a strict chain of command and a rigorous process of confirmation to ensure accuracy and minimize collateral damage. The operator must account for wind, distance, and the movement of the target, all while communicating with commanders on the ground. A successful strike is a testament to their skill and training, a perfectly executed maneuver that neutralizes a threat with surgical precision. But the most common and perhaps most versatile tool is the FPV drone, or first-person view drone. These are small, agile, and incredibly fast. Piloting one is a visceral experience. The operator wears a headset that shows them exactly what the drone's camera sees, making it feel like they are literally in the cockpit. FPV pilots are masters of acrobatic flight. They can weave through buildings, skim over treetops, and perform maneuvers that would be impossible for larger aircraft. Initially used for racing and cinematography, these drones have been adapted for military use with astonishing effectiveness. An FPV operator can use their drone to investigate a building before a team enters, clearing it of potential threats without risking a single person. They can deliver small, critical supplies like medical kits to soldiers in hard-to-reach locations. And in a combat role, they can be adapted to carry small explosive payloads. This transforms the drone into a highly precise, one-way weapon. The operator flies the drone directly to its target with incredible accuracy. This method is highly effective for targeting specific pieces of equipment or fortified positions. The skill required to do this under pressure is immense. It's a blend of a fighter pilot's reflexes and a bomb disposal expert's steady hand. The psychological toll on these operators is significant. Though physically safe, they witness intense situations through their screens. They are intimately connected to the events on the ground, sharing the tension and the risks of their comrades. They work long hours, often at night, maintaining intense concentration for extended periods. The bond between a drone operator and the ground troops they support is incredibly strong. They communicate constantly, building a relationship of trust. The ground soldiers know their eye in the sky is watching over them, and the operator feels a profound duty to keep them safe. The innovation in this field is relentless. Engineers and operators are constantly working together to improve the technology. They're developing drones with longer flight times, better cameras, and more advanced artificial intelligence to assist with navigation and target identification. Jamming and anti-drone technologies are also evolving, creating a constant cat-and-mouse game of electronic warfare. Drone operators must be adaptable, learning to overcome new challenges and countermeasures. They often become innovators themselves, modifying their equipment and developing new tactics on the fly. This spirit of ingenuity is what keeps them one step ahead. These elite drone operators have fundamentally changed the dynamics of modern defense. They provide an unprecedented level of situational awareness, precision, and protection for their forces. They have proven that bravery and skill are not confined to the front lines. From a quiet control room, these pilots project power, gather intelligence, and defend their homeland with unwavering dedication. They are the silent guardians, the modern-day knights of the sky, whose skill and courage are shaping the future of security. Their contribution is immeasurable, clearing the skies and protecting those on the ground. Thank you for watching. If you found this look into the world of elite drone operators interesting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more stories about modern technology and defense. Stay safe, it would really help the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.